I'm the president of the Indian Student Alliance, and we're one of the largest multicultural organizations on campus. ISA is open to everybody who has a shared interest in the South Asian culture. The biggest reasons I joined ISA to begin with is because I wanted to stay connected to my roots. Growing up in a Western country, it's easy to lose touch, and as a result, I wanted to stay close to home. And it's nice to be around people with a shared interest.
People should join ISA because not only are we an organization that is very, very close outside of ISA, but within ISA, we all are a family. We help each other no matter what. When you come into Indian Student Alliance, you automatically have a family. You have people to study with, you have somebody to go to all these events with, to show you around the campus. We all have one common interest, and that is bettering Iowa City by expanding their knowledge and teaching them what Indian Student Alliance does within the Iowa City community and all around the country.